Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel, that is Commerce and Management Hub with SK. Today we are going to discuss about some basic terms related to commerce and management, majorly related with finance. So in this video we are going to discuss about financial system, financial institutions, financial instruments, financial markets and financial intermediaries. So the first term is financial system. So for every country, financial system is the foundation of its growth and development. It encompasses four subparts that collectively form financial system. That is financial markets, financial institutions, financial intermediaries, financial instruments. As strong as the financial system of a country is, the best will be its growth and development. The second term is financial institutions. These are the institutions which mobilize the funds from the sector where they are in surplus to the one where they are in deficit. For example, the households are saving money. They deposit that money into the banks, and banks give loan to the industries. So in this way, the bank is acting as a financial institution to mobilize the funds from the household to the industries. So the third term is financial instruments. These are the securities through which the funds are mobilized, and by the purchase and sale of these securities, the savings are channelized into investments. Financial instruments include shares, debentures, bonds, etc. And nowadays, the tailor-made financial instruments are available in the market according to the needs of the buyers. The fourth term is financial markets. It is the arrangement that facilitate the parties to buy and sell the financial instruments. As goods and services are bought and sold in general market, financial instruments are bought and sold in financial markets. Earlier, the markets were said to be a physical place where the goods and services are bought and sold, but now it is an arrangement and a particular place where the financial instruments are bought and sold by the various investors and the companies, that is known as financial market. The last and the final term is financial intermediaries. These are the mediators who help in the dealing of financial instruments in the financial market. For example, underwriters, brokers, etc. Let's say if the company sold its entire shares to the underwriters and the investor buy those shares from the underwriter. So here the underwriter is the mediator or a commission agent who in lieu of underwriting commission is selling the shares of the company to the investor. So here are the 5 terms related to finance. I hope you have understood all these terms. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for further updates.